How to see drafts on Instagram. Grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Once you're in Instagram, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. That'll take you to your profile page. Now, look at the little plus sign at the top right corner of your profile. Tap on that. Instagram will give you options like post, story, or reel. Just pick one. Let's say you choose reel. Now, you can either choose a photo or video from your gallery or take a new one. Just select the one you want. After you've selected your photo or video, look for the next button in the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Instagram will take you to a screen where you can write a caption and all that. Tap Save Draft in the bottom left corner. Look for the X in the top left corner and tap on it. Now, once you get back to your profile, tap on the reel icon. Look for drafts right there. Tap on that, and boom, your drafts will pop up right there on the screen. You did it. You found your drafts. Now you can edit or post them whenever you're ready. And that's it. You unlocked the power to access all your drafts on Instagram. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. Have an awesome day and happy creating.